Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system basics. Make sure Windows build supports DirectX 12 and your GPU lists DirectX 12 capability. Next, update the graphics drivers from NVIDIA/AMD/Intel to the latest stable WHQL build because driver mismatches often trigger crashes. Once done, open the Epic Games launcher and verify Fortnite game files to rebuild corrupted DirectX or shader assets. This step fixes many immediate crashes and prepares the game for deeper config changes if needed. Once verification and drivers are handled, change runtime settings to isolate DirectX 12 issues. Toggle Fortnite to DirectX 11 in settings or add a launch argument to force D3D11 because DirectX 11 is more stable on some hardware. If you want to test DirectX 12 again, add a clean launch flag and disable overlays. Overlays can inject conflicts. Also make sure Windows uses the high-performance GPU for Fortnite in display or NVIDIA control panel, so the correct driver and power profile run the game. To finish, reinstall or repair DirectX runtime components and Visual C++ redistributables because missing DLLs cause D3D12 crashes. Then temporarily disable overlays, streaming apps, and antivirus that inject DLLs into Fortnite, which often conflicts with DirectX 12. Run Windows Update and an SFC scan to repair system files. These steps eliminate OS-level issues. If crashes continue, roll back to a known good GPU driver and use the Epic Games crash logs to pinpoint offending modules. This single troubleshooting tip saves hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.